Today we're taking a look at the TORRAS case for the iPad Pro 11-inch M5 as well as the M4. These two specifically are the blue and black cases. They also come in white and purple as well for a total of 4 different finishes to choose from. Starting out here, I do want to give props to TORRAS for their packaging. The outside looks very cool. This case has a nice frosted finish, allowing us to see the color of our iPad through the back of the case. Now taking a look around the case, on the side we have our volume buttons as well as our hole for our microphone. The volume buttons are very clicky. On the top we have our two cutouts for our stereo speakers as well as our microphone and our power button, which is very clicky. And on the bottom we have two more cutouts for our stereo speakers as well as a large cutout for a Type-C port, allowing us to use whatever USB-C cable we want. And we have this area up here dedicated to keeping our Apple Pencils safe and secure. This case features two metal arms, allowing you to prop your iPad up in different ways depending on what you're doing. As you can see here, in this case, this is the typing or Apple Pencil writing arm. It's going to allow you to get that perfect typing angle or Apple Pencil writing angle you're looking for on an iPad. The second bigger arm is for standing the iPad up horizontally, like you normally would when you're doing things such as watching videos, playing games, or doing whatever you're doing day to day on an iPad. Believe it or not, you can also stand the iPad up vertically using that bigger arm. Pretty cool feature if you ask me. As far as how this case fits into my workflow, well, I usually have a YouTube video playing on my iPad while I'm doing my real work on my Mac, such as usually Final Cut Pro. And as you see, using that built-in stand, we're able to keep the iPad standing up while we're working away on our Mac. Another thing I use this TORRAS iPad case for is looking through Freeform every day at my video idea list, and I check them off as I go. And being able to use this case and the typing angle arm it provides allows me to easily get a nice angle to look at my video idea list. And that's where we're going to leave it, guys. That was my review and unboxing of the TORRAS case for the iPad Pro 11-inch M4 and M5. I do really like this case. It's very sturdy, very rigid. I think it'll last you a long time, and the built-in stands, the two stands are awesome. The Apple Pencil holder is awesome as well, preventing your Apple Pencil from going flying. In closing, I think it's a fantastic case for your iPad. I would just like to mention that I was sent these cases by TORRAS for review.